Hello everyone, we are back with another video, and today we will be doing another part of throwing pink. I don't know why we're doing it, but I don't know. Pink wanted me to make another part, and I bet she will keep on next to me. So yeah. I think I will get targeted and feed the facility now. Oh, crap. So, yeah, we will be doing another part for some reason. And where'd Pink go? So, yeah, that was supposed to be the start of the video, but someone... What the... Ow, I broke... Anyways, that was going to be the start of the video, but that girl had hit Pink. So, yeah. Did she get disconnected or something? Because I legit don't see her anywhere. No, she's... Oh. Time it, oof. Time it, oof. Time it, oof. She's dancing on my dead head. Ugh. We are not doing this again. Ugh. Oh God. Let's zoom out. Oh God, not this good. Oh, thank God. Pink didn't say anything that time. No, I actually thought. Oh, confused. Ow, stop dancing on me. I don't know why we're doing another part of this. Don't ask me why. It's just me about destroying Pink. So don't ask me why. I don't know what kind of series this will become. Now Pink is right there. And I have to reset it. Pink. Let's see what Pink gonna say. Oh. Boo. I don't know why I said that. Stop for real. It's kind of like that that song. I'm not gonna sing it because it's copyright. Kinda. Is it? I'm not saying. Wait. It's not copyright. No. Time oof. kind of funny. Oh, okay. Whatever. Okay, time. Oof. What the frick is like that? Again? Oh, I'm not gonna read that name. Screw that. Just falling down the stairs. Painfully. It hurts. Ew. Now there's Pink. She's running. Robot? Top Guy Gamer. Hello. She's running away. Come back here. Okay, time to oof. See ya. I like when I oof, I sit down. Dead boy sit see ya in heaven. That's actually kind of funny. Okay, now time oof. Boy. Okay, now that's a weird setting pose. Now where was I? Was over here. Boy. Excuse me. Standing on me. You're standing on my back, mister. Miss. Off. I might be, I'm supposed to sit down. You don't respect. What's that say? You don't respect. Oh my. Oh good. Okay then. I feel like I'm gonna get bored and feed the facility now. She's walking away. Come back here. Come back here. You're going to jump off the edge, Pink. How about if I do this? Let's see what she's gonna say. Is she going to take the bait? She took the bait. She took the bait. Knew it. She's like, knew it. I knew that was going to happen. No, yeah, I can. Oh my god. Why am I laughing, kind of? And I broke my feet. Yep. There's both my ankles. Come here, back. Come here, Pink Fox. Pink Fox. Pink Fox. Come back here. Pink Fox. Okay, I won't do it. What is going on? How I trust. I'll give you free cookies. I don't have cookies though. I'll give you free cookies. He's like, what? For real? What, for real? Cookies? Yes. Free cookies. Yes, I will give you free cookies. Cookies, question mark? Let's see what she says. She's typing something. Cookie. I'll give you cookies. No, I'm not. Okay, what is that guy? Buff. Watch. Give. Give. Win. I will give you cake. I will give you cake. Oh, I broke my ankles. Pink. Okay, I'll go. Oh, okay. They're your pets. Okay, this will be I will end the video off here. Hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all